Hello, I'm Anton. Day 39 of the Daily Crypto Installment Program. On February 18th, 2025, I was completely fed up with crypto installments. The value of my portfolio was less than the total amount I was using for daily installments, meaning crypto prices were falling. After careful consideration, I finally decided to continue this daily crypto installment program. My transactions for the day remained Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000, because if you think about it, a drop in crypto prices means it's cheaper, right? With the same amount of money, 50,000, I can buy more crypto. Today I'm discussing a question from a recently retired friend of mine, and GT, is Bitcoin safe for the future? Honestly, no investment is 100% safe. But Bitcoin has advantages that make it attractive for the long term. First, they're limited in quantity, only 21 million. They can't be reprinted like paper money. Second, Bitcoin isn't dependent on a single country or government. If an economic crisis occurs in one country, its value doesn't immediately plummet. And third, Bitcoin has proven its resilience since 2009. It used to be worth a few thousand rupiah. Now it's worth hundreds of millions. But we also have to be aware, prices fluctuate. That's why I'm investing in installments slowly, not in large amounts all at once. For me, investing in Bitcoin isn't about getting rich, but about preparing for the future. If you have parents or siblings who are afraid of Bitcoin, show them this video. Let them know that Bitcoin is understandable and can be started young. See you tomorrow on Ethereum.